So at this point, I'm just going to have to wait for it to go behind the cloud again. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hey, so I'm back again with blown out hair because poor time management. So I'm going to do another quick braid out today. I'm going to be using the curl stretch pudding from Shea Moisture and the Wrap Me Foaming Mousse from Lotta Body. This concoction was definitely inspired by Sheree Del Sol. I think she used the Carol's Daughter Cocoa Cream and the Lotta Body Mousse. You all know that I love the Lotta Body Mousse. So I'm just going to do 5 braids. Again, poor time management. Judge me in the comments, it's fine. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to section my hair for the 5 braids. I'm going to do 2 on each side with 1 in the center here. So I'm just going to take a medium-sized section in the crown of my head so I don't have a weird part in the center. And I'm going to split the remaining hair in the back into 2. Section this part off. And I'm going to start on my first section. All that's in my hair is a leave-in. I'm going to take the curl stretch pudding. I love this stuff actually. I should use it more often. And I'm not going to take a lot because I don't have time and I can't be using a whole lot of product that's going to take forever to dry. I'm just going to take probably about that much and distribute it. Really focusing it on the ends and then working it throughout the section so that way everybody gets a little bit of product. I'm going to take about that much more, just a smidge more, just for the ends of my hair. Braid it up. The key to a braid out on stretched hair is to braid it pretty tight because of course we don't have water in our hair to help our hair shrink and kind of set into the braid out pattern. Then I'm going to add the Wrap Me Foaming Mousse at the ends. And at the very ends, I'm going to coil and twist and coil. And that's it, my friends. I'm gonna do that all over my head. Okay, so this is what we're working with. Again, I only did 5 braids. I did 2 on each side and did 1 in the center so I wouldn't have a weird part in the back. Now, even though I started on dry hair, I did dampen my hair with these 2 products. So I'm going to sit under the dryer and then come back for the takedown. It just took an act of Congress for me to get the lighting right, but my hair is all dry. I sat under the dryer for about an hour just to be sure, and then I air dried for an additional like 2 hours. I'm not going to use any oil to take them down. let me wrap up this video before the sun continues to try to play me. So these are my results after fluffing my hair like hell. I have definition and volume. My hair is so soft, so fluffy. Yes, ma'am. It smells good. It's very moisturizing. That is why I really like this Shea Moisture Curl Stretch Pudding. It's so hydrating to the hair. With the weather cooling off, I've definitely cut back on my gel usage, and this Curl Stretch Pudding is exactly what I needed. It's so moisturizing, and it definitely helped to define my hair very much. I can't really say that it gave me elongation because my hair was already blown out. Pairing it with the Lotta Body Mousse just gave me so much definition and shine and volume, and as you saw, I didn't really do a lot of separating in the front. I didn't want it to get frizzy and lose all the definition. Hopefully this helps somebody and helps you see that we don't have to do 11 braids to get a nice braid out. So be sure to drop your thoughts down in the comments below. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.